Ever wondered what drives a criminal mind? Or how forensic psychologists crack complex cases? If you're fascinated by the psychology behind crime, stay tuned, because today we're counting down the top 5 must-read books in criminal psychology that'll pull you into the depths of the human psyche. And if any of these books catch your interest, check the links in the description to grab your copy. Criminal psychology isn't just about solving crimes. It's about understanding what makes a person tick and why they might step into the darker side of human nature. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who loves a good psychological thriller, these books will give you that deep insight you crave. Book 1, Mindhunter by John E. Douglas and Mark Alshaker. Let's kick it off with a classic, Mindhunter. This book is written by one of the FBI's original profilers, John Douglas, and takes you inside the minds of some of the most notorious serial killers. It's a fascinating read on how behavioral profiling changed the way we catch criminals. You can find the link to this book in the description. Book 2, The Anatomy of Violence by Adrian Raine. Next up, we have The Anatomy of Violence. Adrian Raine dives into the biological and psychological factors that may lead to violent crime. With a mix of science and real-world examples, this book makes you rethink what you know about criminal behavior. Grab your copy through the link below. Book 3, Without Conscience, The Disturbing World of the Psychopaths Among Us by Robert D. Hare. If you're curious about psychopathy, this is the book for you. Robert Hare, a leading expert, gives you an inside look at the chilling world of psychopaths and how they blend seamlessly into society. Check the description if you're interested in reading more. Book 4, The Psychopath Whisperer by Kent A. Keel. Dr. Kent Keel shares his experience studying psychopaths in prison in The Psychopath Whisperer. This book delves into his research on the brain, showing how psychopaths' minds function differently and what that means for understanding criminal behavior. Link is in the description. Book 5, Criminal Behavior, A Psychological Approach by Kurt R. Bartle and M. Bartle. For a deeper dive, Criminal Behavior, A Psychological Approach by Kurt and Bartle is a comprehensive look at the theories and research in criminal psychology. It's packed with studies and examples, making it ideal for students and professionals alike. Get your copy through the link below. Whether you're planning a career in criminal psychology or just fascinated by the subject, these books will give you real-world insights and deepen your understanding. Each book brings a unique perspective from field experiences to scientific studies that will change how you view crime and criminals. Which book are you most excited to read? Or do you have a favorite criminal psychology book that we missed? Drop it in the comments. And if you're ready to dive deeper into the world of criminal minds, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more videos like this, and share with friends who love criminal psychology. Remember, the links to buy all these books are in the description. Happy reading, and remember, sometimes the truth is stranger than fiction.